In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon Pay balance and your Amazon Pay later balance. Managing your finances smoothly on Amazon can greatly enhance your shopping experience, ensuring you're always aware of how much you have available and how much you owe. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll need to visit Amazon's website. Make sure you're on Amazon.com to access all the account features we'll be discussing. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Enter the email associated with your Amazon account, then click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Ensure you're entering your correct password, and once you're confident, hit the Sign In button. Now that you're logged into your account, you're back on the Amazon homepage. If Amazon Pay is available in your country, you should be able to spot it easily, usually on the top menu. However, if it's not immediately visible, don't worry. There's still another way to access it. Navigate over to the Account and Lists section, which is also at the top of the page, typically near where the Sign In option was. Click on this link and you'll be directed to a page that gives you access to all sorts of account related settings. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labelled Other Programs. This section houses a variety of Amazon's additional services, including Amazon Pay. Now simply click on Amazon Pay. This will lead you to the Amazon Pay homepage where all the details about your account are displayed. If you indeed have an Amazon Pay account, you'll immediately notice your Amazon Pay balance listed right there on the page. This balance is the total funds available for you to spend on Amazon or other partner sites that accept Amazon Pay. It's crucial to keep an eye on this balance to manage your spending effectively. Furthermore, on this same page, you'll also see your Amazon Pay later balance. This balance shows the amount you've utilized from your credit line that Amazon provides, and it's essential to stay informed about this as well. Staying on top of your pay later balance helps ensure timely repayments and avoids any finance charges. And that's it, you've successfully found your Amazon Pay balance and your pay later balance. Make sure to check these regularly to keep track of your spending and ensure smooth shopping. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.